Milano, our most elite unit. Designed in Europe, this piece features a top-of-the-line sophisticated style and high-quality customizable materials. Milano is part of our Visionare line, which means it brings the comfort of home into your practice. Patients will feel comfortable and at ease in the office. The unit is easy to control and adjust with an elegant and professional presentation. And the Milano is ADA compliant, so it provides an excellent experience for patients and doctors alike. The Milano has a refined and modern look that will impress patients while establishing credibility, since it delivers a quality of service that matches that of a prestigious and highly skilled doctor. The unit is motor-operated with keypad controls for the table, chair, phoropter, lamp, and other optometry equipment. With a simple touch of the keypad, you can turn on and off exam equipment and lighting, as well as control and adjust the table, chair, and phoropter positions. In addition to a keypad control panel, there is also a foot pedal which can be used to control unit positions. The electric table is designed to hold any combination of 2 exam instruments. When the patient is ready, the auto movement feature will allow the doctor to slide the first piece of equipment into place, followed by the second, then back to its base position. By pressing the control panel, the doctor can easily direct equipment in front of the patient, then adjust the height and position of the table. With another simple touch of the keypad, the doctor can direct the next piece of equipment into position in front of the patient. When the exam is complete, the doctor can direct the table back to its base. So, once your patient is seated, they never have to move. The Milano includes the Liftboy feature, which is an exclusive functionality from Visionare. The Liftboy function automatically adjusts the table height to account for the difference in height between both optical instruments that are on the exam table. By switching from one instrument to the next, the motorized table adjusts height automatically, so the table lifts or lowers to the correct placement for the new instrument. The table includes magnetic safety features to protect your patient and the equipment. The automated brakes will stop the table and lock it in position so it does not move during an exam. It will automatically adjust to the correct height, or if it senses the patient's legs underneath or other obstacles on either side of the table. There are also built-in sensors to protect the patient and the doctor on both sides of the table. These automated adjustment and safety features streamline appointments, so doctors don't have to spend time positioning and repositioning equipment. The chair is adjustable and designed for patient comfort. With the control panel or foot pedals, doctors can easily lift and lower the seat position, recline the chair, and slide it back and forth. In this way, the Milano accommodates patients of all shapes and sizes. The chair can swivel at any angle. The armrests can rotate or be completely removed, and the footrest can also be easily adjusted. Additionally, the chair is completely removable with built-in wheels, which is especially important for disabled and wheelchair-bound patients. The phoropter arm on the Milano unit is motorized. With a touch of the control panel, doctors can direct the arm into examination position, adjust its height, and send it back into a resting position. This makes the exam process simple and provides the patient with a sophisticated and modern experience. The Milano unit is completely customizable to match your practice. No more cold or stark exam room furniture. This luxury exam unit comes in a variety of colors, materials, shapes, options, and designs. We'll work together to design the perfect, sleek unit for your office, then ship it from Europe directly to your practice. You'll be able to provide patients with the highest level of care and deliver an impressive and modern experience. Pair the comfort of the home with a modern, sophisticated look into your practice. Our units offer the controls you need, with quality, unique designs that patients love, and meet ADA requirements. Enjoy complete functionality and streamline patient experiences with the Milano in your office. US Ophthalmic. A vision that inspires yours.